TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 18. You get the Nasdaq up 7. S&Ps are off 2.5. Gold contract is down $5.70, trading at $1,070. We have silver off 3 cents at $14.06. Platinum's down 5 at $8.49 an ounce. Light sweet crude, it's hammering on that bottom. They were at $40.39. Bonds, the 10 years flat, 126.22. 30-year is up 11 ticks, 154.24. In both cases, folks, it looks like we get the bond, the 10 and the 30 is setting up a small ABC structure on the way up. They got some traction on the way up last week. They pulled back with lighter volume this morning. They rejected that price. Bottom line, looks like they want to go topside. King dollar. King dollar is up 96 ticks at 99.72. Now, what you have with King dollar is this. King dollar hit the 1 mark today, 1.04. You did that, and this is the third time that we've had 3 separate highs. Last 12 days. First high had the volume behind it. That was finishing up the ABC structure. Second one and today's lighter volume. Out of the past 12 days, after we had hit the last 2 highs, we come back down with volume. That's saying that King dollar is getting tired up here. I expect you're going to see King dollar back down. The euro is down 6 right now at 106, and the yen is trading at 122.85. If we go over and we take a look at the S&Ps and see what they're looking like, this is what we had on the daily and on the weekly inside the S&Ps. They got into and over the November 9th high. That November 9th high is 209.49, and they couldn't handle price. When you get up there and you can't handle price and volume is lighter, which we had, bottom line, you can expect that you're going to back down. What I expect we're going to see out here this week, because it's Thanksgiving week, is that you're just going to see a slow roll, nothing heavy, to the downside. I don't expect higher price. I expect flat markets rolling over slightly. If we go, it'll be next week that you can expect some volatility in the market, more than likely lower prices. We go over to the 3 Qs. We take a look at the 3 Qs. It's the same type of setup there. Your benchmark inside the 3 Qs is 114.51. We're trading out here right now at the 114.62 area. And as we look at that 114.62, I expect as we come into the end of the trading day, once again, you're going to see that thing fail. It's going to have lighter volume each and every day as we're coming into Thanksgiving. Gold. What do we have with gold? It's kind of, gold hasn't been able to catch a bid. Bottom line is that what you do have out here today is this, is that you're rejecting lower price. You're going to have lighter volume. Last time we got down here, we were banging out 155,000 contracts as well as 181,000. We've done 97,000 thus far. You've hit 1065. Gold's going to get back inside the 1084 area. Right now, we're at 1070.50. If we do go over to that dollar and you take a look at that dollar, what you're going to see with the dollar is higher highs, lighter volume. It looks to me like the dollar probably topped out today. The bond market. Now, this one is really cool. They're all cool, but you really want to keep your head wrapped around this. The reason being is that when you put the bond market together with the equity market and the metals market, the bonds out here today, the 10-year got down to the 126.12. It's rejected, lower price. It looks like it has a small ABC structure on the way up. Which, in fact, will make a run once again for the highs. And that's pretty incredible in the context that the Fed wants to go up and keeps saying flat out that they are going up on short-term rates in December. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or you can visit them at everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.